Rachels, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's focus on the driving. Okay, so I recently was on YouTube and I saw a video of Rachel talking about being a matron of honor and hugging and being very lovey-dovey to this girl. Just kidding. I love you, Heather. You're amazing. This girl, and I just thought it was really weird that I haven't gotten a hug from her for like 6 months, and it's not really fair that she's just hugging other people a lot. You probably think I sound really creepy and really crazy, but I don't care. Like, I deserve to be hugged by my best friend without her hugging other people. Rachel. So anyways, I'm in my car right now. Not heading to Rachel's house to get hugs because that'll be very creepy. That'll be very weird. But I'm just in my car driving to a place. That's all. But yeah, so I'll see you when I get to that place. Bye. I actually care. Okay. Hi, Sherry. I knew you were going to do that. Why did I know? How do you see the puppy? How do you think it people? Look. Hi. Go best friend, that's my best friend. You better. Hey, Josiah. Hi, Josiah. Whoa. That was a big drool, bud. So this is how I usually look about all the time. And then I came to Rachel's house and all I see is pow! Excuse me, damn, Mima! Hey, work it, drop it low, girl. Look at her, yes, Mima. Do a hair flip, Whoa! So yeah, I'm at Rachel's house, enjoying her new everything. I don't know if you guys knew, but I actually built this. Yeah, I did it with my imagination. Just kidding. So I'm going to start cooking for Thanksgiving. So, do you want to go? Let's go. Can I go through or not?
Why is she doing this?
Go down, go down, go down, go down.
Oh my gosh.
Go down, there you go.
Clumsy people shouldn't do this. Oh, Rachelle, the light.
If you were really skilled, you would have done that without your hands.
Lot of mercy now. You're gonna edit this back and you're gonna see what I said. You're gonna say, thank you, Rachel, for saving my life. Hey, oh,
This is
hey,
Rachelle's vlog
yo,
camera, like.
oh.
Say hey, booze. Say hey, booze. So welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing.
I keep saying that. Let's get the party started.
Say, oh,
Ready?
oh, let's keep the family growing. Sarange.
Wow, no wonder you should not.
Thank you, Mima. Yes.
I don't want
To have a giant roundabout dining experience extravaganza. So, because it's 2020, we skipped decorating for fall because who celebrates fall anyway? So I'm going to go ahead and do decorations right now. Oh, ta-da! There we go. And our fall decoration is complete. So, I'm sure you guys want to see the food. We have so much food. Woo! The ham. Ready? Look at the photographer at work. Papa Joe!
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving! So guys,
That's the warehouse.
wait, Rachel!
Wait,
We're matching!
we're matching.
Rachelle,
What? And Rachel.
and RL,
No. I was like, you know what?
Hey, Papa Joe! Lucas, what are you thankful for?
My family.
Mima, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful we survived 2020.
Oh, woo! Amen!
We got together as a family, and I
Good, the barker
thank
over
my
here.
family.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Right.
Josiah, what are you thankful for? Oh, really? You thankful for Auntie Rachelle? Oh, Rebecca, what are you thankful for?
For being alive with my family.
Papa Joe, what are you thankful for?
I am so thankful for my beautiful grandchildren.
Boom.
Yes. Well, she knows that.
Did I miss anybody?
Grandchildren came about.
Yeah.
I don't think I missed any. Rachel, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my kids, my husband, my in-laws. They are amazing. Agree. Thankful for my sister Rachelle.
Well, that's me.
I am also thankful that Rachel made it through that horrific health scare.
Yes.
So,
To Rachel's help. Woo! Really, Rachel? You gonna...
Cheers to another successful Thanksgiving. I'll tell you what, we hauled booty.
booty.
Everyone can sing today. Look at Lucas. So I'm like really happy.
Yeah, we did
Really happy.
good.
Yeah.
Good job, fam.
Cheers, Lucas. Get your beer.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to Jay. Look at Josiah. He wants one so bad.
Oh, look at. You have to wait till you're 21. Just tell y'all.
Bruh.
But thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, may your family game be as strong as your coffee game.
Bye, booze.
I love you, latte. Bye, booze.
Hey, booze. Welcome to another video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's keep the family growing. So today we're gonna have Thanksgiving. Yay! Yay!
That's not my intro.
Yay! Okay, guys, we're gonna have so much fun. Yay! You don't know this. Rachelle doesn't scream. She goes, yay!
I stole Lily.
Yay! That is my Lily. 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 Ah.
Oh, my Lily.